Start by placing a large cup of water into a cooking pot. This will be the base for our powerful skin rejuvenating serum. Turn on the heat and let the water come to a gentle boil. This will prepare it perfectly to extract the nutrients from the rice. Now, add 6 generous tablespoons of rice. Choose high-quality, organic rice for best results. Did you know? Rice is rich in antioxidants and helps boost collagen production, keeping your skin plump and youthful. Before using the rice, make sure to rinse it thoroughly to remove any impurities or excess starch. After washing, filter the rice well. Clean rice ensures a pure and effective serum. Add the cleaned rice to the pot of gently boiling water. Let it soak up the heat and release its magic. Let the rice cook on medium heat. This step is crucial for softening the rice and unlocking its benefits. Once it's tender and fully cooked, remove it from heat and allow it to cool naturally. Next, mash the rice thoroughly until you achieve a soft, creamy texture. This will be the base of our serum. Strain the mashed rice to separate the silky liquid. This filtrate is rich in nutrients your skin will love. Rice has been a beauty secret for centuries, keeping skin fresh, radiant, and hydrated. It also plays a powerful role in preventing premature wrinkles and fine lines. Fermented rice water is backed by research for its amazing anti-aging and skin brightening effects. Now, add 2 teaspoons of glycerin to the rice extract. Glycerin is a hydration powerhouse. It deeply moisturizes the skin and delivers essential vitamins directly into the skin layers. Glycerin also maintains your skin's elasticity and youthful glow over time. It's known to slow down aging and effectively minimize signs of dryness and dullness. By promoting healthy cell turnover, glycerin rejuvenates the skin, making it visibly smoother. Add 2 teaspoons of rose water. Choose pure, natural rose water for best results. Rose water treats dry skin beautifully, deeply hydrating and soothing the skin. It also helps delay the appearance of signs of aging like wrinkles and fine lines. Next, add a few drops of vitamin E oil, or simply pierce and squeeze 2 vitamin E capsules. If you like, you can also add a spoonful of almond oil for extra nourishment and glow. Now, mix everything together very well until you get a smooth, creamy serum. Gently apply the serum on clean skin, using soft circular massage motions. Massage it until the serum is fully absorbed into the skin. Leave this magical serum on your skin overnight to allow it to work deeply while you sleep. In the morning, rinse your face with lukewarm water to reveal fresh, radiant skin. Don't forget to moisturize your face afterwards to lock in the hydration. You can store the leftover serum in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to a week. This recipe is completely safe and beneficial for everyone, women, men, pregnant and breastfeeding women too. It's one of the most powerful natural collagen boosters to remove wrinkles and brighten the skin. With regular use, wrinkles and fine lines will gradually fade and disappear. This is a famous Japanese beauty secret that promotes flawless, youthful skin naturally. It's a highly effective anti-aging serum that anyone can easily make at home. It not only reduces wrinkles but also smooths out fine lines for a more even skin texture. It tightens sagging skin and helps you regain a youthful facial contour. Use it daily, and you could look up to 10 years younger naturally, no chemicals needed. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty secrets.